Once upon a time, there was an honest boy named Jack. He lived in a small village with his parents and siblings. Jack was known for his honesty and integrity among his friends and family. One day, while Jack was playing in the village square, he found a lost wallet on the ground. He picked it up and looked inside it. He found a lot of money and a card with the owner's information. Instead of keeping the money for himself, Jack decided to return the wallet to its rightful owner. Jack went door to door until he found the owner. When he returned the wallet, the owner was so grateful that he rewarded Jack with a large sum of money. But Jack refused to accept the money as a reward. He said, "It's not about the money, it's about doing the right thing." Everyone in the village heard of Jack's good deed. He became even more respected and admired in his community.